Hi, I'm here to show you how to create an assignment on Moodle. I'm starting off at my Moodle page, and the first thing we need to do is turn editing on. So we use this cog here to do that. So editing is now on. I'm going to scroll down to the bottom where I've set up a module for us to use, called it test module, and I've hidden it. So to add an assignment, we need to click add an activity or resource. Assignment is up the top here, and then we just click add. What this will do is give us the options to customize our assignment. So you can give it a name. So I'm probably going to call this test mock writing. You can add in here a description, so explaining exactly what it is that you want your students to do. And just below it, you can add any files they'll need to complete it. So, for example, if I was setting my students a reading paper, I would need to add in the texts they'll need to read, and probably the questions too. Just below this, you've got when you want this to open for submissions, and when you want it in. So the open date and then the due date. You also have the option to start to set a cut-off date so that people can't submit work after a certain time. To do that, you just click enable and choose the dates that you want. Just below that, you can set up a reminder so it reminds you to grade it. I'm going to turn that off, but that might be something you want to do. What generally with Moodle submissions, you're going to want them to have created something on Word or PowerPoint or something, and they're submitting a file to you. So here what's ticked is file submissions. As well as that, you can change how many files that they're allowed to upload, so that depends on how much work you're wanting them to submit. The maximum file size limit that they can upload is 200 megabytes, but that should be enough. There's lots of other options, and it's completely up to you to go through them, but those are the most important ones that I've shown you there. So to make sure you've set all this up and it's on, you want to click save and return to course. Now you can see that it's here that students would click on it. I've currently hidden this from students because I don't want to scare them. But to show this next bit, I need to unhide it. So if you want to be able to hide it, what you do is you click edit and hide topic, and I've just unhidden it. And I'll make sure that the test is unhidden as well. So show. So I want to show you what it would look like to a student. So I'll turn editing off, and up here, it's a bit of a handy setting. You can switch your role to a student. So I'm seeing what a student would see now. And at the bottom here, you've got test mock writing, and this is what they'll see. You can click, so they'll be able to click add submission, and upload a file, which I'm sure they're quite used to doing. Yes, and save changes, and they'll have submitted it. So that is how to create an assignment for them to submit on Moodle.